Hey guys, it's Aiden.
And it's Brian.
And today we're going to be showing you how to drag and drop on Weebly. So first you want to open your Weebly app. Then once you open your Weebly app, you're going to want to click website on the bottom of the page. Then once you do that, you're going to want to click edit site. And then it's going to load for about 5 seconds.
And then once you're there, there's a plus sign at the top, so you're going to want to press that right about now. And then there's text, and then title. Now you want to grab one of those and just drop it. And then you have to double tap it to edit, and you can write whatever you want. So you can put it, like I said, wherever you want, but to change the font, you have to select it all. And then there's two T's above the W. So you want to click on those if you want to change the font, and the plus to make it bigger, and the minus is to make it smaller. So yeah, that's how you change the font in Weebly and add text. Peace. So bye.